Yeah. This is Listen, that was not a formal meeting, man. Dang, hello. What's up, Fat Eddie? Look, she finna get you, boy. I had a German Shepherd named Lady when I was a kid. So I definitely with that name. Where'd that ball go? Hello, come here. Come here. Let her do her thing. She gotta use the bathroom or something. Let her use the bathroom. Hey, lady. Hey, lady mama. Alright. Shh, get back. Shh. Get back. Sit. I'm tired of Fellow, she holding you, bro. I don't want to hear no noise now. Yeah. This is all they needed, shit. Man, y'all ass goofy. Y'all tired now? Here, come on, let's take this off. You ain't yourself. Get on his ass again. All right, Paulo, you got it, bro. Paulo, come here. Yo, come here. Come here, Paulo. Over here. Apollo. So, and she got the two different color eyes. She go crazy. You can't mount her right now, bro. Come here. Get over here. Stop playing with me, boy. Stop playing. Yeah.